Xingtai Huaya Machine Tool Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sale, and service of diesel forklifts, excavator, loaders, and self-loading concrete mixer. We are located in Xingwan Industrial Zone, Xingtai City, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment to improve productivity. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. In addition, we have obtained SGS certificate. We have always been to build world's high-quality machines for the purpose of continuous research and development and innovation. Our company insists on the policy that customer is the supreme, prestige promised, quality guaranteed, professional service, and constantly improve the process and technical level to make our products won the praise of users, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. In the future, we will increase investment in research and development, production and after sales, contributing to the prosperity of promotion of innovation and development in the machinery industry.